Welcome to Physics Basics. Physics is often called the science of everything, and for good reason. It's the fundamental science that helps us understand the natural world around us. From the tiniest particles to the vast expanse of the universe, physics explains how things work, why they behave the way they do, and the laws that govern all of nature. So what exactly is physics? Physics is the natural science that studies matter, energy, and their interactions through space and time. In simpler terms, it's about understanding what things are made of, how energy works, and how these elements interact with each other across the dimensions of space and time. Everything you see, touch, or experience can be explained through the principles of physics. Physics studies four fundamental concepts. First, matter, which is everything that has mass and occupies space. Second, energy, which is the ability to do work and cause change in the universe. Third, space and time, which form the very fabric of the universe itself. And fourth, forces, which are the interactions that cause motion and change in all things. These four concepts are the building blocks of everything we observe in nature. Physics is divided into several major branches. Classical mechanics studies the motion of objects and the forces that act on them. Thermodynamics deals with heat, temperature, and how energy transfers from one place to another. Electromagnetism explores electricity, magnetism, and light, which are all interconnected phenomena. Finally, quantum mechanics examines the behavior of matter at the atomic and subatomic scales, where particles behave in strange and fascinating ways. There are even more specialized branches of physics. Relativity, developed by Einstein, studies space, time, and gravity at cosmic scales and extreme speeds. Optics and waves investigate light, sound, and other wave phenomena. Nuclear physics focuses on the structure and behavior of atomic nuclei and the powerful forces within them. And astrophysics applies physical principles to understand stars, galaxies, and the entire cosmos. Physics is the foundation of all natural sciences. It sits at the base of the scientific hierarchy. Chemistry builds upon physics by applying physical laws to understand how atoms bond and react. Biology, in turn, builds upon chemistry, using chemical processes to explain life. Every other science ultimately depends on the fundamental principles that physics establishes. Without physics, we couldn't understand chemistry, and without chemistry, we couldn't understand biology. Physics matters because it explains how the universe works at every scale imaginable. From the smallest subatomic particles that make up atoms, to our planet Earth and everything on it, to the largest galaxies billions of light-years away, physics provides the framework for understanding it all. It's the universal language of nature, and learning physics gives us the power to comprehend and predict the behavior of the natural world.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.